Hi there, I'm Leah, and you're probably wondering who's the person behind all these tiny stickers and satisfying builds? Well, spoiler alert, it's me! And I've got a pretty fun story about how I ended up here, gluing colorful stickers to these adorable little scenes. So, let me take you back a few years. I'm originally from Romania. Hence the accent, by the way, and no, I'm not a distant cousin of Count Dracula. And for quite a long time, I worked in the United States. I loved it there. New culture, new experience, learning so much. But after a while, I started missing home. The familiar food, my family, and my language, and all of it. So I decided to move back. And that's when something interesting happened. Moving back home meant a lot of changes. New routine, figuring out what I wanted to do next, reconnecting with the pace of life here in Romania. It was actually a really big transition. And that's when I discovered 3D sticker scenes. Honestly, it happened kind of by accident. I saw one on Amazon when I was scrolling to, shop online. Thought it was looking very cute. I bought it. When it got home, I opened the package and immediately thought, okay, how the heck do I build this? Because here's the thing, and this is the real story. There are no instructions. You get a reference picture on the back, but nobody show you the actual how. Do you start from the bottom? Do you start from the top? Are there layers? Do you scream into the void in frustration? Spoiler, sometimes yes to that last one. But I fell in love with it. There's something really special about these little scenes, the details, the colors. The satisfaction of placing each tiny sticker exactly where it belongs. And once I started, I couldn't stop. I began collecting them, building them, and honestly became a little obsessed. My friends were like, Leah, you have like 50 of these now. And I was like, yeah, and I'm gonna have 100. So if you're watching this, you know how it goes. Once I started, there was no going back. About 2 years ago, which is around the time I've been doing this hobby for a bit, I had this thought. What if other people want to build this, but they don't know how? What if they're staring at the reference picture just as confused as I was? And that's when the idea hit me. Why not make videos showing exactly how to build these scenes step by step? So, I started filming my builds just to help people. Not for anything fancy, just here's the scene, here's how you build it, here's where the stickers go, here's the order. That makes sense. Visual learning, right? Because sometimes you don't need an instruction manual, you just need to see someone else do it. And the cool part, people actually started watching. They're saying things like, oh, I finally understand how to do this. Or I'm building along with you right now. That's when I realized this isn't just my hobby anymore. This is something that actually helps people, and honestly, that feels really great. So now, creating these videos has become just as much as part of my life as the hobby itself. I film them, I edit them, all by me. No AI, no shortcuts, because I want them to feel real and personal. You're not watching some polished corporation or a big huge channel. You're watching a person from Romania who genuinely loves building these tiny sticker scenes and wants to help you do the same. So here is what you can expect if you stick around to this channel, and I really hope you do. On Crafty Scenes, you'll find video builds. I'll show you how to build specific 3D sticker scenes back step by step. Rather it's a tiny mini book or a huge multi-layer scene, I break it down so you can follow along at home. Collections and hauls. Because apparently I never stopped buying these things, and I love sharing what I find. New facts, hidden gems, the ones that surprise me, you will see them here first. I'm trying to solve a problem. Sometimes scenes are tricky. Sometimes the sticker doesn't stick right, or you just realize you placed something wrong. Sometimes the stickers are not cut properly and they break. I'll show you how to handle all those moments because they happen to everyone. On this channel, you will also find some cozy vibes. And most importantly, this channel is a judgment-free zone. Whether you're a sticker scene expert or you're just new building one in your life, you're welcome here. We're just here to have fun, be creative, and enjoy the little things. I post new videos pretty much every Wednesday and Friday-ish. Sometimes the schedule gets a little fuzzy because, well, I'm a human, but I'm committed to show up regularly. One more thing I want you to know. Yes, I love the sticker scenes and yes, I want to help you learn. But at the end of the day, this is supposed to be fun. If I mess up in a video, I'll probably laugh about it. If a scene doesn't turn out perfect, that's okay too. It's still beautiful. I also want to hear from you. What scenes are you building? Which one frustrates you? Which ones makes you go like, wow, this is so satisfying? Because honestly, that's the content I love creating the most. Your comments, your questions, your own sticker scenes photo, that's what makes this community special to me. And if you're watching this from the US or from Europe or from Asia or from literally anywhere in the world, thank you for being here. It means a lot that people from different corners of the world are interested in this little hobby that I'm so passionate about. So, if you're ready to join me on this sticker scenes journey, I'd absolutely love for you to subscribe. Hit that button, turn on notifications so you don't miss a new video, and drop a comment telling me 3 things. 1. What's your favorite sticker scene pack? Or if you haven't built one yet, which one would you like to try? 2. Where are you watching from? And 3. Is there a specific scene you'd like to see me build? I read every comment and I genuinely love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to feed my cat now. I actually have 2 cats, Mitzi and Mia. I'll put them here for you to know them. Okay, happy sticker building and see you later. Bye bye!